Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and today's vlog will be special because my final year starts today. That is semester 5, and today is a big day. My class begin at 10:40. Now it's 9:30 and now we'll have my breakfast and we'll read the newspaper first. Well, I am actually happy and sad at the same time. Happy because like we are the topmost seniors of our college, and sad actually because we didn't get to experience the whole college, and the whole second year went into sitting in home, and actually I don't remember what I studied. So yeah, happy and sad both times. Well, let's see how my day goes. फाइनली क्लास का लिंक आ चुका है ज्वाइनिंग 10:40 AM, एंड अभी टाइम हो रहा है 10:36. सो या 4 minutes टू गो टू माई फाइनल ईयर क्लासेस. लेट्स बिगिन. गाइस, इतने दिनों बाद मैं ज्वाइन कर रहा हूँ. ये तो पूरा गूगल का लेआउट ही चेंज हो चुका है. सारे आइकन्स चेंज हो गए भाई. पूरा अलग सीन है यहाँ पे. और ये देखो, गुड मॉर्निंग सर स्टार्ट हो चुका है.
हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. इसलिए भी क्योंकि आप यहाँ सिर्फ हॉब्स क्या करें, लॉक क्या करें, बट उनकी जो डिफरेंस है कैसे वो because of the background assumption, how the theoretical construction itself will change. So when you are able to see this will really sound very interesting to you. So you will feel much more like enjoying.
Alright, now it's time for the next class at 12:40, and now it's around 12:35. 5 minutes to go for the next class. So yeah, let's go. By the way guys, this class is being conducted in Microsoft Teams. I just wanted to know that whether you like the interface of Microsoft Teams or not. Personally, I completely hate Microsoft Teams. It's so complicated, man. Like, what is this? Activity, chat, teams, files. It's so complicated. It looks like as if you are working in IT professional job. I wish Microsoft Teams be simpler like Google Meet. The class is over now and it's currently 1:38. Now I have one more class to attend, but I have to go to shower, and I will just quickly do it and come back. I completely hate these class timings, like 1:40, 2:43. मतलब जल्दी ले लो यार, इतना देर क्यों करते हो क्लास लेने में. Well, never mind. I'll just go and take a shower quickly and attend my next class on public policy while having lunch. So let's go. So finally back from a shower and had my lunch. Now I'm gonna attend the last class of the day. So yeah, let's go. So guys, कुछ ऐसा हुआ कि after joining the class, within 5 minutes the class ended because it was just short intro video, and sir was asking about the names and why did he choose that paper and all. So yeah, this is just basic intro class, and the actual teaching thing will be starting from tomorrow onwards. So yeah, that's the end of my first day of my final year. But in short, I would like to say कि जितना मैंने सोचा था इंटरेस्टिंग फ़न होगा तो उतना कुछ तो हुआ नहीं. आई थिंक अगर ये ऑफलाइन होता तो शायद फ़न इंटरेस्टिंग हो सकता था, बट क्या ही कर सकते हो. दिस इज़ द ऑनलाइन मोड. सो लेट्स सी कल क्या होता है. एंड टुडे ओनली आई थिंक 3 क्लासेस हैपेंड. फर्स्ट क्लास जो 9:40 वाला था वो कैंसिल हो गया बिकॉज द प्रोफेसर वॉज हैविंग some issues with Microsoft Teams, and it is seriously so complicated Microsoft that we can't understand. Seriously, tell me, like, if you are familiar with the interface of Microsoft Teams and all, I'd find it very difficult to use to it. So that's it for today's video, and yeah, that was like dull, boring final year classes. Nothing so special about it. So yeah, I hope you liked it. If you did, then do subscribe and like. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, as always, stay safe and stay happy. Bye bye.